Okay, guys, we are going to try to record the Plan B backup to do your routes. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your bitrix and you want to sort your leads. So the first thing you want to do, well, first of all, so let's say we're using, you won't need to do this because yours will already be up there. So you want to sort. So let's say you want to do your chocolate drop. So I'm in Gene's bitrix now. So at chocolate drop, he has 21 in chocolate drop. So what we want to do is, first of all, we want to add, put a plus sign up here, and then chocolate drop. So that way, we're just picking up the chocolate drop. The space there, I think, is what I did wrong. So chocolate card drop, that's what I did wrong. Chocolate card drop. So now it's just going to pick up only the chocolate card drops. Where'd you go? Okay. So chocolate, CARD. And it's just jumping around, that's all. Right, so chocolate card, that'll get it. Okay, so now we just have, again, 21 in the chocolate card drop. So now we want to switch over to list because we want to export this. So we'll switch over to lists, and now it puts all of these guys in a list, and we want to export this list. So we go to the settings wheel, and we want to export leads to CSV. Click export leads to CSV, export all lead fields. Yes, we'll hit run. And then we want to download export file. So we'll pick up over here the export file. We'll go ahead and open that up. Okay. So now we don't need bitrix anymore. So now we're just going to deal with this export file. And we are going to deal with, there we go, let's get back over here. Okay, to deal with our Route XL. Okay, so now that we've got this list, Route XL, you need to register for it, but it's free. Just choose the free version. It gives you 20 stops. So now what we want to do is we want to enter the addresses. So we want to do import. Okay. So now we just, we need to cut and paste. So what we'll do is we'll go over to our spreadsheet here, and we're going to slide over to where it says addresses. Now there's just, you want the addresses that has the one column addresses. Okay, so see where it says addresses. So we want just this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and highlight this column. Again, just take it down to 20. And we'll copy. And we should be able to paste this right in. Let's see. Okay. So we've got it pasted in, and we'll hit import. And I think we did 21 was the problem. So we'll go back. So we want to do 20. So try this again. Copy. Import. So we'll have to delete this. Well, I'll tell you what, we could just delete one of these. We should be in good shape. Okay, so hit import. Okay, so now it's populating the map. You can see all the stops popping around. And this is going to optimize it automatically. It's auto-selected to optimize, so it will give you the fastest route. Now, some of the addresses might not be complete because there's only so many characters. So we go down to here and we realize, all right, well, we're not driving to Florida. So we want to click on this lead. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up the lead and see what the address is. So if you go to edit, you can just do copy paste. And what you can see is it ran out of characters and it didn't put Illinois. So what we're going to do is we can cut it. And then we want to delete this one. And then what we're going to do is just manually add in. So we can do, we can manually add in, let's see, there's a manual way to do it. Well, we'll go to import. So we'll go ahead and paste this one. Okay, and so what you can do is just, you know, we don't have to have all this. One Mid-American Plaza. So we know it's Suite 700. So just take out the Suite 700. And then at the end, that'll leave us some characters to go ahead and put that we're in Illinois. And then we'll go ahead and import that, and that should add it to the list. Okay, so now we've got everything here. Okay, so now we've got all of our stops here. And then what we want to do is go ahead and find route. So we can go over here and we want to find the route. So we click find route. And again, this is going to optimize it for us. We can choose on the settings, you can choose Google Maps, you can choose iMaps. There's a few different things. You can even choose to print if you want to print out your leads old school for some reason. So now, and it'll allow you to, when you go to options, it'll allow you to select where you start. So you just, you know, click on which one you want to start. We can go do that so you can see what it looks like. It auto selects optimize routes. Here are your maps. So Google Maps. And then I think it's on advanced. Let me see here. Wow. We may have to flip around a little bit. But you can select on here somewhere where to start. So so now you've got your route. Now all you'll need to do is share it, agree to be public, make public, and now it gives you a link. And now you can email your link or copy paste it, text it to yourself, whatever you want to do, and then that should you can obviously use that on your phone or you know, or whatever else you're going to use. So so then that gives you a nice optimized route and gives you a good backup in case our maps software isn't working. So if you need to obviously go back and rewatch it, pause it, and if you have any questions, just let us know. And that should be it. Thanks, guys.